there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with a Lego MOC that I did back in 2014, and it's called Happy Holidays. Yes, it is a train car MOC, and basically it was a Santa car, and I first had it done with just some presents and some Christmas trees on it. But when I got the Santa Village toy shop, I guess you want to call it, or the North Pole toy shop that Lego offered, I took the conveyor belt part from it, where they make their toys, and added it on top of this train car that I came up with. It's very basic, but it gets the point across, and it's like a little toy shop on train wheels that actually I can remove them and put another base on there with some regular wheels, and we can make this into like a parade float for the center of Main Street in our amusement park. So it doubles both as a train car for the Christmas season and or a float. So it's kind of neat that way. It's a double duty type of thing. Now we can add some trees on there as well if we like, or whatever. So it's a little bit lopsided there because I had it apart just to check on something. And I think I need to boost that other side up with a brick and a plate just to keep it level. That be the conveyor belt part, that is. You may notice that Santa looks a little different, yes, because he's one of the older ones and he has a little silver knob on the top of his head. That is because this was a Santa keychain, and I took the chain part off and I just never really filed down that silver nub that's on the top of his hat to get rid of it, because I wanted the Santa minifigure, and this was the first Santa minifigure I think that I purchased, and I wanted it, and it was a keychain. So whoops, we're just going to have a little roll off there. Now I'm going to take down the conveyor belt off the train here just to show you a little bit up close of the conveyor belt. Like I said, this conveyor belt is part of the Winter Village North Pole set. So it fits in on the train car here just nice right in the middle of it, but I do have to add a brick on the bottom of it and a tile just so it sits flat and level. Otherwise it's going to tilt a little bit, and I just never got around to doing it, which is one of those things that I just never got to do. Like I said, I built this about 4 years ago. It's been sitting down there. I never really did a video on it, so I thought I'd pull it out today since I've been doing Christmas videos all along here and just show you what I did. It's a very simple build, but yet it's effective enough to get the Christmas theme and spirit across. Like I said, the trucks can come off the bottom. That's the proper name for them, or if you want to call them train wheels. They come off, and we can put normal wheels underneath and remove those center gray and white bricks. They're just there to make it look a little bit better where it's on the train. But we can remove all that and put regular wheels on that and make it a float for going down Main Street. And there goes Santa now. I think he's getting ready to take off to get ready for the big day that's coming up in a few days. So in the meantime, we'll see you again, and Merry Christmas to all. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.